What's up, YouTube? Red Pill Raj here, and a lot of people have been emailing me and texting me and telling me about the snow that's going on here in Atlanta. Now, if you don't know, we just had a big, crazy snow slash ice storm that pretty much shut the city down. Today is January 31st, 2014. The time now is 9:14 p.m. Don't know if you can see that. 9:14 p.m. It's dark out, but I want to go try this experiment. People are saying that the snow is actually turning black when heat or like fire is applied to it. And if anybody knows about snow and the properties of snow, it's pretty much frozen water, and it's supposed to evaporate if you apply heat to it. So anyway, I'm going to show you my location. It's not my exact location, but let's see here. We're going to go into maps, and as you can see, I am a little bit outside of Atlanta, Georgia, about 5 to 10 miles. I'm outside of Atlanta, 3 miles technically, but there you go. As you can see, Atlanta, Georgia, pretty much a few miles out, and I'm going to make this as one continuous video. Excuse any bad videography. I am a professional, but anyway, if I can put this phone in my pocket, and I do have my hands covered so that if the ice is bad or contaminated or whatever, it's not gonna hurt me. So let's get my lighter and let's go outside and see what we can see. And this is gonna be one continuous shot. And there's just a little bit of snow left on the ground, but we'll get enough to get a proper sample and take it back inside where it's a little bit warmer. So, if this is even snow still, it's probably just ice. Looks like it won't even build into any kind of snow thing. Hold on. Okay, I have a small sample. I don't know if this is even good enough to work or anything, but we're gonna take this sample inside and see what happens. So I'm gonna be honest, I do feel it melting a little bit on my hands. Looks like it is melting a little bit. So maybe not. Let's see. I'm gonna apply some heat to it. It should be melting right now. Okay, this ice should be melting, and it's not melting. All right, let's try this again. See what happens. Maybe I can get this camera just right here. Whew, burning my hand off. So once again, the ice isn't melting. I did apply some heat to it, and it just turned kind of black right here. Maybe we can try this one more time. The camera won't fall. So let's put this maybe on here, and let's see if this works here. And try not to burn up my house at the same time, so you gotta forgive me for that. burning my hand. All right, here it is again. Applying it directly onto the ice here. Heat applied directly onto the ice, and the ice is not melting. I don't want to burn up my apartment, guys, but the ice is not melting. All right, push it out a little bit further here. Now I'm applying some good heat to it right there. And once again, the ice is not melting. It's not making a fire, but it's not, no water is dripping from this ice here. So this is crazy. I never seen this before. I mean, that was a good 30 seconds to a minute here, just straight fire to this ice, and it is not dissolving or anything. Let's take a look at it. It does it does kind of smell like, I don't know. It doesn't have a crazy bad smell to it or anything, but this ice did not melt, guys. I don't know what's happening here. So I'm not going to draw any conclusions. A lot of people are saying, oh, it's chemtrails, it's the toxins in the air and this and that. I'm not drawing any conclusions right now as to why this ice isn't melting, or what's causing it to not melt, and why is it turning black. So anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know your comments. What do you think is happening with this ice here? Why is it not melting? Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Maybe the next video we'll get some answers. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace.